Compared to the mostly plastic constructions of Google Home and Amazon Echo, the new loudspeaker of Google Assistant of House of Marley is quite striking. The Get Together Mini is made from a combination of bamboo and aluminum, and is wrapped in cotton fabric, hemp and recycled plastics. Combined, this creates what the company claims are some of the highest percentages of sustainable materials used to build any smart Google Assistant speaker. You can set the speaker so you always hear an activation word, but you will also have the option to press the Google Assistant button at the top before saying your command. Meanwhile, a button on the back of the speaker can prevent the microphone from listening. You can use Google Cast to stream music to the speaker from your phone and pair it with other compatible speakers for multi-room audio, and it is also equipped with Bluetooth. You get 6 hours of playback through Wi-Fi, but this can be reduced to as little as 4 hours if you have the microphone constantly listening to an alarm clock, or it can reach 12 hours if you are using Bluetooth. The charge is handled through a USB-C port on the back, and there is also a USB-A port if you want to charge your device directly from the speaker.